Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 Chief Meteorologist David Wire, certified by the American Meteorological Society.
Good evening, everybody. We're taking a look at more thunderstorms out there, and you've already had enough. Down here in our southern counties where you're seeing the rain right now, you all, every single one of you getting the rain south of Terre Haute right now, we're underneath a severe thunderstorm warning because of hail and gusty winds already once today. Now, there are no warnings with these thunderstorms, but they put out an advisory, and we get this every once in a while. A strong thunderstorm advisory, meaning, hey, these things are just below severe limits. Hail threat's a little minimal, but there's some areas of pea-sized hail which isn't big enough for a warning. And again, the wind gusts are down underneath advisory or thunderstorm criteria, I should say, underneath 58 miles per hour. But nonetheless, these are very heavy thunderstorms, lots of heavy rain, 1 to 2 inches of new rain out of these thunderstorms, not out of the question. At the top of the show, we talked about a tornado warning that was just west of Clay County, Illinois, just southwest of Effingham County. And I mentioned that the National Weather Service, who I was just talking to, said it would be unlikely to extend that eastward into Effingham County. And they didn't move it, so that's good stuff. So there currently are no warnings out there for severe thunderstorms or tornadoes, but still under this watch, and this is going to be Effingham, Jasper, Richland, Knox, Davies, Martin, everybody south of there until 2 a.m. Eastern time. That'll, of course, be down into about 3 a.m. Central time for those counties down to the south of us. Again, here's a look at those thunderstorms, and you can see very heavy rain through Jasper County, very heavy rain through Crawford County. This is moving east at about 40 miles per hour, slowly lifting to the north. Some light rain here in Terre Haute, but again, we're keeping everything, at least for the moment, below severe criteria, which is wind speeds excess of 58 miles per hour, hail 1 inch or bigger. Now look at this line. This is something, again, as I mentioned, been watching this all day. This is part 2 of the severe weather, and it's back here to the south and to the west where we were actually seeing a lot of activity earlier. The National Weather Service put out a tornado watch for pretty much all of Kentucky, southern Illinois, and all of southern Indiana, and out of this we have had just a ton of warnings, but now what's left over, flash flood warnings, and again some severe weather warnings down here for thunderstorms down to the south along the Ohio River, which is just staying south of us, and that's such great news for us. Even though we don't need the rain we're getting now, it's just nice to keep that down to the south of us. Thunderstorms still going to try to develop up here to the north. I mean, Vigo County is right there. You see skinny little Vermilion County there. And again, up here where it's kind of quiet at this hour, we're seeing the temperatures warm up. This is the warmest part of our day, believe it or not. We're up to about 60 degrees, and we're going to find that, well, while we warm up, we're going to get all of our temperatures to heat up, and that's also going to give us a pretty good chance for thunderstorms to continue to develop. Real quick, by Saturday morning at 5 a.m., the severe weather threat looks to stay to our south, but the potential of 1 to 1.5 inches of rain overnight, not out of the question with those isolated severe storms. We got you covered. We're going to keep you posted. If things turn severe, you'll get it instantly at the bottom of your screen. We got the text alert products you can find at WTHI-TV.com. And, of course, tomorrow, not a dry day completely. More spotty storms trying to move in with, again, 1 to 2 inches, possibly as much as 3 inches of rain trying to fall this weekend. 55 degrees going to be that overnight low, and we're warming up to 60 right now. That's the lowest we'll get back to. 80% chance for the rain. Of course, it's already out there. We see it. Not a completely dry day tomorrow, but not a total washout either. I think we're going to have some dry hours. 68 your high tomorrow, and then again a pretty good chance for rain and thunderstorms tomorrow night. Yeah, some of those could be isolated and severe. The good news with the next 7 days, temperature's not bad. It was a little cool during the day today. 68 tomorrow, 72 Monday, 65 for Thursday, but another pretty good chance for some rain for your Easter Sunday.